All them leaves blowing around everywhere. They're all blowing down the road. Keep blowing down the road. Blow. All them leaves. I should take my lawnmower and blow those up. If I do that, it's gonna come back again. It's autumn. It's autumn, honey.
Huh?
It's autumn.
Autumn?
Autumn.
What is that?
That means fall.
Oh.
Fall.
Oh yeah, they all like this. Hey, look, bring it to us. There are no, look at, there are no, they bring to us. It's
I know.
terrible.
I know. Yeah, it's not all leaves.
It's terrible.
I have all these leaves. I should take a match to it. Catch them on fire. Half full leaves. Look at that. Big pile of leaves. They blow away eventually. Little tornado.